All right, here's the vault notes for Math 2 3.6 task, curbside rivalry. It's a solidify task. Students, there's the essential question. You should have been able to get it off the board. Remember, there's three basic ways we know how to solve a quadratic equation now. We can factor it and then use zero product property. That's the easiest way. Completing the square to get vertex form, which gives us the quadratic formula in easy mode, h plus or minus the square root of k, or sometimes k over a. Or then you can use the quadratic formula. On the task, it's asking you on number 2 through 8, which one of those things right there convinced you how and why and when would you use each of these methods to solve a quadratic equation. You need to do all of these from the task, and you need to be able to come up with a cogent answer for this task. It's really important that you develop your inner voice and be able to talk to yourself through these things rather than listening to me talk. That way you can do well comes test time. Get this stuff into long-term memory. Okay? For the ready problems, it's giving you three different types of equations. We've got standard form of a linear equation, slope-intercept form of a linear equation, and point-slope form of a linear equation. It's asking you here, how is it easiest to find the intercepts? Okay, find the intercepts for the x-intercept and then find the intercept for the y-intercept. Which one is easier and why? You guys should be able to isolate each variable to figure out these answers. The concept we learn here will be used further on down the line. Okay, the set problems, this is very, very confusing the way they worded the set problems. Okay, they were talking about what are the constraints on the dimensions of the rectangle and given the quadratic equation and blah, 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 blah. Hey, here's what I want you to do. For 5 through 8, factor and then solve using whatever method you want. They're all factorable. You should be able to use factoring and zero product property. Here's an example of factoring and the zero product property in case you forget. And the Go problems are more factoring. Yes, I want you to use the magic X, but all these are nice to you. They just give you the leading coefficient is 1. 18 and 21 look interesting, though. And there's your vault notes.